Hey guys, Janet here at the 4-H office. So we're all wearing our masks and everything, and we've got some really cool ones made out of fabric, but if you've been given some white plain ones, how are you going to spruce these things up so they're cool? Well, one of the ideas is to tie-dye, but what do you do if you can't find tie-dye dyes? You could try some Kool-Aid and vinegar, or you can try some Sharpie tie-dye that we like to do at the 4-H office for some projects. Now, this project will actually be color safe, which means it won't bleed. The colors will stay on the fabric. So what we're going to do, Sharpie markers. This project will not work with any other type of marker. We can get into the science. The Sharpie marker is actually afraid of rubbing alcohol, and what we're going to do is tie-dye using rubbing alcohol on our design. So you need a mask, either a plastic bag or white paper if you're using a white mask. To do your design. You're going to need your color choice of Sharpies and a bottle of rubbing alcohol to spray. So I'm just going to draw some designs on my mask. Some just little color blocks. When you're drawing, you don't want to do a lot of detail. Just color blocks, simple shapes are best for what we're going to do. You might be able to tie-dye some writing, like if you wanted to put your name on there in big block letters, that would work as well. Leave a little bit of space in between your colors. Don't draw right up on top of each other. Remember, the more colors you use when we're tie-dyeing it, the more likely that when they blend together, they're going to make brown. So, just a few color blocks here. They look like little string characters. I'm actually going to use 3 colors, 2 shades of orange and a shade of yellow. Draw my designs on here. You can go all the way to the edges, whatever you'd like to do. When you're done, you have your design. I just have color blocks on mine. Lay it flat. You can do this with t-shirts too. Anything that's a cotton fabric will work. Canvas will work as well. So you're just going to prime your spray bottle. Just spray your designs. Now, the more rubbing alcohol you put on it, the wetter it's going to be, the longer it will take to dry. You're going to spray your design and just watch what happens. Use thicker Sharpie markers on this. Don't use the thinner ones so that the lines tend to fill out or spread out and fill in more. So what I've done is I've actually started my tie-dye process. I've got the colors running. So I'm just going to set this over here out of the way. My next step, I'm actually going to try a pair of shoes. I've just taken green. I have some really neat green 4-H shoelaces I'm going to put in these. You could also, if your shoes come with white shoelaces, you could Sharpie tie-dye those as well. So we're just going to get our shoes wet with the rubbing alcohol. And just cover the surface with your rubbing alcohol and watch what happens. If you're doing your masks this way, once they're dry, what I would recommend is putting them in the washing machine so that you're not smelling the rubbing alcohol. You could do that with your shoes as well. So I'm probably getting these a little bit wetter than I need to, but I'm really impatient for the colors to start tie-dyeing so you guys can see what's going on. So I've gone from one pair of white shoes to a really cool pair of green tie-dye shoes that I can put my 4-H shoelaces into. For this project and more, see us on Facebook, Shenango County 4-H, and on our YouTube channel, Shenango County 4-H. Have a great day.